Hey everyone, it's Monday and that means it's giveaway time. Stay tuned after this short video for details. $15 free games, maybe on a new game, on a new slot I just found called Fire and Rain. Check it out. Fire and Rain. Let's see what this does. Come on, baby. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we needed one more for the mini. 2, 3. Oh. I got 4 again. How much does that pay? $4? Oh, 15 games though. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Interesting, huh? 1, 2. Oh. Shoots wilds over. It's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not right. Oh. Oh. Come on now, buddy. Whew. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh. Oh, not nice. Come on now. 1, 2, 3. See the little green things on some of the symbols? You can collect all the way up to the grand, depending on how many you get. I need 5 for the mini. I'm not even getting that. Come on, baby. Oh. Come on. And I don't know what determines what wilds shoot over. Ooh. Oh, that's not nice. That's not nice at all. Come on. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 4 again. You are not nice. Last one. Oh. Oh, I got a bunch of aces for $3. All right. So I had a few of these left over from the giveaway we did in December, and I decided every Monday we're going to give one away until they're all gone. All you have to do to enter is leave a comment below and thumbs up the video. You have to be a subscriber, of course. And every week I'll pick a winner and send you one of these at random. It could be a Zorro plushie, a Buffalo squeeze toy, or a Tarzan binocular. So that's it. Just leave a comment below, and we'll do this every Monday until they're all gone. See you guys next week.